Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon-wrapped asparagus. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh asparagus. Start by washing the spears thoroughly under cool water. Then, trim off the tough, woody ends, usually about 1 inch from the bottom. Finally, pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispness. Now, let's add some flavor and get wrapping. Drizzle your prepped asparagus with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then, season them lightly with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For the wrapping, take 3 to 5 asparagus spears and tightly wrap them with a single slice of thin-cut bacon. Repeat this process until all your asparagus bundles are ready for the oven. It's time to get these delicious bundles into the oven. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they cook evenly and get nice and crispy. Arrange your bacon-wrapped asparagus bundles on a baking sheet, preferably lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the bacon is perfectly crispy and golden brown. Your amazing bacon-wrapped asparagus is ready. Carefully remove the hot bundles from the oven. It's a good idea to let them cool for just a few minutes before serving, as they will be quite hot. These make a fantastic side dish or appetizer. For an extra savory kick, you might even sprinkle a little fresh Parmesan cheese over them right before serving. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.